Hi guys, we're doing something I've never done before and I thought this could be really fun. If you really like this idea, please let me know as you're watching the video because I would love to do more if this goes well. So I was thinking of doing makeup like beauty YouTubers that do eye looks or makeup completely different to me. And this is not, this is just me having fun and experimenting. It's not about me trying to make fun of anyone. If anything, I really like these YouTubers and I just want to do or attempt what they do. So the first one that I wanted to do is someone that I love watching, which is Annette's Makeup Corner. I'll have her link down below, of course. And I'm going to show snippets, but I can't show too much because that's her creative ownership on the video. But what we're going to do is copy a look of a palette that I also own, and that is the Made by Mitchell Feet on the Ground palette. She reviewed this in one video and then she did another video with 3 looks, but I want to do the look that she did in the review because it's the most unique. Well, it's the most Annette in my opinion, and the least one that I would likely do. There is no guarantee it's going to look the same. In fact, it's probably not going to look the same. We have very different eye shapes and I'm not used to doing her technique, but I thought it would be fun. This is the whole point. Have fun, challenge myself, maybe learn a few new techniques, and if I love it, I might end up start doing what she does. So let's get into it. I am going to show kind of what she's doing, whether that's screenshots or little snippets of the video. I'll decide as you're watching. But here's the palette, and I've actually not used this yet. I got this in a Beauty Bay sale, so I've swatched it, but that's it. And it's such a varied palette. Like, it's heavy on the green, but it's got, you could really go different places with this. So I thought it would be a great palette that she owns and I own to play with. So, all right, zoomed up. We're going to start with the shade Orchid. So she's just putting this at the front part. So this is, I never do my makeup like this. This is fascinating to me. I'm gonna get that shade. I have the Rimmel Magnifies eye primer on, which is quite translucent, and she just puts it here. This video for a while now, but my Beauty Bay order took forever to get here. Now I have it. I needed to find time to do it. This is a really pretty yellow. That's the thing when you do colorful eyeshadow, you need a million brushes, and I'm the kind of person that likes to do use maximum 2 or 3 brushes for the whole eye look. Okay, so it looks like we're going in with the shade Ain't. So she takes it kind of just below the yellow and in the front here, like this. That green really picks up well. Wow. Like, it's very powdery, but it also picks up really well. Look at that. Ooh. This is not a review, Sam. But this is the first time I've used this palette. And I did do my base first because I am doing my Project Pan video after this, which is, I will link it for you. If you like my base makeup, it's on my Project Pan makeup. Then we're gonna take this shade Venom. I'm gonna use the same brush. Sorry if that annoys you. And she kind of did that next to the green, but not over the yellow. I think we're just kind of blending. I don't know, is she gonna go back and blend that yellow over? I hope so, because it's very blocky right now. So she has hooded eyes as well, but she has a very different kind of hooded eye. Mine is like rounded, whereas hers is like, a lot of people have hooded eyes in like a thin bit of skin that kind of folds over, whereas mine is like more of like a, can you kind of tell what I mean? Like fatter, I guess. She's bright. Ooh, look at me. Okay, so hers look really blended, so I'm gonna go back in with that yellow I don't know if she did this. She might have edited it out. And that's the thing. She might have edited some things. I'm going to use that yellow to blend a little bit more. Because I don't want to have a harsh line. She's also got a fringe that goes over. So I just noticed that it's actually a little bit more blended. Okay, that's a little bit better. Mine's, I'm not very good at blending color. Something that I've got to learn more. This is a crap brush, but it's got a small tip, which is what I want. And we're gonna go in with this shade Tulip. This is where it's gonna get real intense. I love this color though, the Tulip color. This is something I would definitely use. Okay, so this is going up here.
Yeah, this ear, I don't even know what to make of it, honestly. And
oh, she's doing it all over the outer.
Vaccine, and I'm so glad.
Okay, so she's doing it all over. So up here, she's kind of doing it like, this is where it's gonna look really bad on me. That blown out. I'm gonna see if I can try to do it higher because of my hooded part here. It goes all wonky if I try and do like a triangle tip here. So I'm getting more denser angled brush and that's gonna help me. Okay, that's working a bit better. I just have to go higher. So I'm kind of noticing, like, because of her eye shape, she's got a lot of gap here, which I'm guessing she's gonna put something else, but we will see. And then she's gone underneath as well. Can I do this? I feel very out of my depth right now. Okay. She makes it look so easy. Okay, let me get this tiny brush again. I guess it's her usual. I just want to make sure I have enough purple on there. You know? Does she blend the line? I don't know. She's not actually doing a proper tutorial, but I should be able to get the gist of it. Mine looks so different to her. This green looks like a light kind of blue on her. It's crazy how different it looks on her than on me. I feel like there's just a lot of blending that she's maybe edited it out because mine looks really rough. When I say rough, I mean not rough. Mine doesn't look blended enough.
There's a light.
Okay, now we've got Tiger Lily. And I think I did too much purple because she's doing Tiger Lily from here to here. We'll see if we can do this. I'm gonna get a brush like this. It's a little bit different to hers, but we just got to work with what we got. So just here. So I don't think this is gonna look exactly the same just because I already put purple there, but. And she was saying in this video, she's just trying to use as many colors as possible. I love this color. Oh my gosh. I love that color. I would never have the creative mind to do all of this. I'm always too scared to mix contrasting colors, but she's doing it in a really, really cool way. Okay, continue. All right, so we're getting the black called Ammo. And she's putting that in the outer corner. Do I have a small enough brush? Oh, yes. When I swatched this black, it was like hard pan. So I don't know if it's gonna show up. Oh yeah, it's getting on there now. Maybe it's just that top layer was not happy. I like never use black. It's something I want to learn more to do because I find that black washes me out when I use it. But if I used it more with color, I think it would be okay, right? Yeah, I'm definitely more of a brown shadow kind of gal to deepen things up. I've never really used black. But that totally works. The more color and shades that I add, the more into this look that I'm getting. Whew. Look at me, I look like a piece of artwork. Okay, so now we're gonna get, what shade did she say? Oh, this one here, Grass. We're gonna start with some shimmers. Now she put down a glitter glue, but I like rarely do that, so I'm not gonna do it. And she's done that from here. And she says she's blending outwards. I don't like that brush. She actually did a little bit more of this green than I did. So I'm gonna do that a little bit more. Kind of went to the middle. I do have a setting spray, that'll intensify it. Yeah, that's good. And then over that green, we're gonna go in with a lime green, which I'm excited to use. And then we're going in with Limeade, which is this awesome green shade up here. I'm just gonna use the other side of the brush. And I'm so glad she didn't do a cut crease because I hate them on my hooded eyes. I just can't get that line. Beautiful. And then we're gonna get a small brush and we're gonna take Angelina, this pink shade, and that is gonna go in here just to brighten up the eye, which I love that she does that. I like to do, oh my gosh, Angelina is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, and then what she did is she got the black and just touched that up. Okay, so then I almost missed a step. We do a tiny bit of Bless You in the inner corner. So I will use that same brush because as the pink. So very similar. I don't know if that really made a difference, but not bad. Okay, I'm gonna finish up my eyes. It looks like she's worn lashes, but I'm not going to. Okay, guys, and I'll be right back with my thoughts. Okay, so here is the final look. So all I did was, it looked like she had a bit of a color in her waterline. I don't really own colored eyeliners. I just don't really use them, but I do have one. It is the LA Girl Pastel Dream in Magic Mint. So I've put that in my waterline. And then I use my Master Precise just to line the top, and then Lash Accelerator Mascara. That's all I did. And this is everything. Hello. This is a new me. This palette was so fun. I thought it was the perfect palette to do, and the look that she did, I was like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, that's the one I want to do because it's got all the colors. And I just want to say I love you, Annette. I really loved doing this, following your eye makeup. If you do see this, thank you. And if you guys have any ideas of other makeup artists, or when I say makeup artists, beauty YouTubers is what I'm mainly focusing on. I have a list of some, but it's generally makeup that is different from mine. It can be minimalist. It's probably not as fun to watch. But if you have any ideas, it could be someone that I've never even heard of and it gives me inspiration. So list down below if there's anyone that you want me to recreate. This was really fun. I really enjoyed this. I love this look. It is phenomenal. I'm gonna walk around the house feeling like a badass. You know what I was gonna say, but I don't swear on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.